In this video, we will be talking about the oral vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 1. Our first vocabulary word is conflict. Say it with me. Conflict. A conflict is a disagreement or problem between two or more people. Both children wanted to play with the ball, but they settled their conflict by taking turns. Have you ever had a conflict with a friend? Our next vocabulary word is fair. Say it with me. Fair. If something is fair, it is reasonable and follows the rules. John did not think it was fair that his sister got a bigger cup of hot chocolate than he did. Which is fair? Each child in the class gets one cracker, or one child gets all the crackers. Our next vocabulary word is argument. Say it with me. Argument. An argument is a fight that uses words. The two friends had an argument about who won the game. Have you and your friends ever had an argument? What was it about? Our next vocabulary word is shift. Say it with me. Shift. If I shift something, I move it a little bit from one place to another. I need to shift my plant so it can get more sunlight. What does it look like to shift your feet? Our last vocabulary word is risk. Say it with me. Risk. A risk is a danger or the possibility that something bad may happen. If you walk through deep mud, there is a risk your shoe will get stuck. What risks do you take when you walk in the rain? Those were our vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 1.